Hello, savers! Welcome back to Saving Made Easy. It has been a long holiday break for me. I've actually been off since right after Black Friday, and I appreciate you guys for sticking with me. I know that's a super long vacation, but I have been thoroughly enjoying my holidays and my family, and I hope you did as well. But I am back. I'm ready to get back in the saddle and start the year off right with some couponing. I have got three awesome Dollar General couponing deals for you to enjoy this week, which will save you a lot of money on cleaning supplies, self care products, and even food. Psst. Also, new couponers, this is for you. If you're starting out the year looking to learn the very simple art of couponing to save money, then I highly recommend doing three things. One, subscribe to this channel because you are going to want more content like this. Two, turn on notifications so that you're in the know for all the best deals. And three, check out my beginner playlist where you can find all of the info that you're looking for to start your journey off right. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into those deals. Okay, this first transaction is for some cleaning supplies. This is one of my favorite times of the year to coupon because I think the coupon manufacturers know that, starting in a new year, you want to clean everything, you want to organize everything. So it's my favorite stuff that's really has good coupons and is on sale. So with that in mind, we're going to do this little cleaning deal that's going to save you a ton of money on some antibacterial sprays. This is actually a deal that you can do any day this week. You do not have to wait for Saturday. So we're going to start out by purchasing two of the microban sprays. These are the smaller ones. These are $6 each. But we have a $6 off when you purchase two digital coupon, and that expires on the 28th of this month. We're also going to pick up two of the larger microban sprays. These are $6.75 a piece. We have a $6.50 off when you purchase two digital coupon on those as well. So that's going to those four right there are going to take you over your $25 threshold. But you could wait till Saturday and do this deal with your regular 5 off of 25 coupon, or you could use this special 5 off of 25 on cleaning products coupon, which includes Mr. Clean, Bounty, Microban, Puffs, Sinex, Dayquil, NyQuil, a lot of P&G, Procter & Gamble stuff, basically. You probably cannot use this in addition to your 5 off of 25 for Saturday. I haven't tested that theory out yet, but usually these do not combine. But you could, essentially go get these products any day of the week if Saturday doesn't really work for you because you have this coupon available now. So that's kind of nice. I actually went and I tested this deal out with the new coupon. Here's what I paid. Now, this is I tested it this way on purpose to show you guys. If you clip the smaller microban coupons that are $3 for a single, those are going to be taken off even though you're purchasing two. So do not clip your smaller microban coupons that are just for one item, or that is what is going to be taken off your total. Save those for when you're ready to just do a single purchase of one of those items and not doing this deal like I have it here. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. I always answer questions in the comments. Your subtotal is going to come to $25.50. And after your $6 coupon, your $6.50 coupon, and your $5 off of 25 coupon, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $8 plus tax for 4 of those antibacterial sprays. So this is a great way to stock up, especially if you have more than one account that you can access. You could do this deal several times. I mean, these bottles are, $6 plus a piece. So $8 for all 4 is a great deal. One other thing that I wanted to mention to you guys too is if you haven't been to Dollar General since before Christmas, all of their Christmas decor and decorations and stuff are 50% off clearance right now. They will probably go to 75% off before they officially remove them from the shelves and make room for all their spring stuff. But, decide what things are important to you to get at 50% and what things can wait. Some stores even go to 90%, but that's kind of rare. And also, Christmas candy is 25% off right now if you can find some stuff that is not like Christmas related, like some of the Ferrero Rocher things. Those are great to get at 25% off right now and save for Valentine's Day. So that's a good way to save as well. Okay, for our next deal, start by picking up one of the smaller microband sprays. So this is after you've already done the bigger deal, right? So these are $6 and you have a $3 off of one digital coupon. By the way, these deals are all digital this week because I went to Kroger and I was not able to get my paper coupons, which was a huge bummer. But, my loss, your gain, you get all digital deals this week. So microband spray, $6 with a $3 off digital coupon. Also, pick up one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. Any of the Max Fresh versions seem to work on this. These are $3, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making this just $1. Also, you could pick up two Febreze products. These are the sprays for $3.25 each, so $6.50 for both. And we have a $3.30 coupon off, so making them half price essentially. Also, you can pick up one of the Zarbee's children's cough syrup. I found this in the clearance section for $6.95 and there were a bunch of them. And we have a $3 off digital coupon on that. My store was out of these smaller bags of the 9 Lives cat food, but if you're able to find one, they are $1.35 and we have a 75-cent off digital coupon. And even if you don't have a cat, these small bags are nice to just donate to local pet shelters and things like that. And last but not least, you could pick up 3 of the American greeting cards. These are $1 a piece, so $3 for all of them. And then we have a $1.50 off digital coupon when you purchase 3. Also, make sure you have that 5 off of 25 coupon clipped to your account. Your subtotal for this transaction should come to $26.80. But after all those coupons come off at the register, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $8.25 plus tax. Other good deals to be on the lookout for this week that I didn't include in my transactions were the 2 for $8 General Mills cereals. There's actually 2 for $8 on several of the brands, but General Mills also has a $1 off digital coupon when you purchase 2. So 2 for $8 sounds like a lot, but these are the big family size boxes. So you're essentially getting them 2 for $7, which is an okay deal to add in somewhere for a box that big. Also 2 for $5 on the Mott's applesauce packs as well. Okay, for this last transaction, we're going to start by picking up one of the Dial body wash. These are $3.45, and we have a $1 off digital coupon on those, which I really need to stock up on because I am running way low on my stockpile. You're also going to pick up one Robitussin 10 count. These are $4.50, and we have a $2 digital coupon on those. Also, you can pick up some sandwich fixings. You can get one jar of the Jif peanut butter for $4 and use the $1 off digital coupon, and pair that with a jar of Smucker's jam. This is the 32-ounce jar for $4 as well, and use the $1 digital coupon off on that as well. I also included some Clorox wipes in this deal. Now, I'm going to warn you, it's not the greatest deal ever, but after the holidays, with cleaning the house and stuff, I am way low on Clorox wipes, and maybe you are too, or any kind of wipe, really. So these are $3.50 a piece. They've really gone up in price, but they're $7 for 2 of them. We're going to pick up 2, and we're going to use the $1.50 digital coupon, and that's just going to have to be good enough, I guess. You can finish this deal by picking up one of the Finish dish pods. These are $4.95, and you'll have a $1.50 digital coupon off on that as well. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped. Your subtotal is going to come to $27.90, and after all those coupons come off, you're going to pay $14.90 plus tax at the register, which isn't my favorite total, but honestly, for sandwich fixins, for Clorox wipes, Robitussin medicine, like $14.90 is something that I'm willing to pay for all that to stock up. So I'd say that's a pretty good deal. Let me know down below which was your favorite deal this week. Was it 1, 2, or 3? And if you like saving money, go ahead and start the year off by giving this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, happy saving, everyone.